What's going on, guys? My name is Jeff from HD, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use your Wi-Fi deauther to kick people off or any devices that's on your Wi-Fi network or connected to it. Anyways, so what you want to do is you want to get your Wi-Fi deauther's IP address. You want to log into it and shit. So then what you want to do is you can see all these, right? But if you go to attacks, you have no targets. So like, see deauth targets 0, targets 8. Now what we want to do is we want to deauth because it closes the connection of Wi-Fi devices by sending deauth again. It's kind of hard to say, but it tells you what it does right here. What it does is it kicks them off by, I don't know how exactly it works, but I mean it should say right here. So if you see this, and you can just read that. I'm not really going to explain. I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. I'm not really good at explaining certain things, so that's why I try not to explain a lot. So anyways, so what you're going to do is you want to go to SSIDs. No, sorry, scan. You want to scan. And now this, you can be connected to the network, but if you want to have more fun, all you have to do is just connect to the network. So we are actually on my network right now, which is this one. And what you want to do is you want to go to any target, because the stations are what's on your network, I do believe. Yeah, because this is my printer. Right here is my printer, I do believe. And yeah, that's my printer. I can remember that. I remember this from yesterday. And then RivetNet, I'm not sure what that is. These are all the vendors. So like the people making like Dish Tech, we have Dish. So the box is connected to the Wi-Fi connection. So we can we're gonna kick this off, okay? And yes, or yeah, we'll kick that off, okay? And all you want to do is whenever you have a target, you want to select it. And then what you want to do is you want to go to attacks. It won't cancel it. It won't uncheck anything. It just, you got to go to attacks, and then you can see now you have a target. So if you deauth it, I don't really want to right now. Well, we can, but I don't know. But you can click it. It'll deauth it, and it will take it off. So it's pretty cool. That's all you guys got to do. So. And it also does say you might lose connection when starting attack. You need to select target for deauth attack. You need to get a saved SID for beacon and probe attack. Click reload to refresh the packet rate. So yeah, you just start it. You just click the start, and then it'll deauth it. But if you want, you can do all these. But depending on where you're at, if if you didn't not depending where you're at, but it works anywhere. But what I'm trying to say is, don't do it, don't do it unless you have permission, unless it's like for worm season. But I know there is a lot of trolls out there, but just don't do it unless you have a valid reason, or if you have permission, like Satanic and which is where I got mine, with Satanic. And here, oh yeah, here guys, this is what it looks like. Let me show you what it looks like when it's on. Since I told you guys I would show you, that's what it looks like. It's upside down, but this is what it looks like. That's the screen, so it's pretty cool. When it's green, it doesn't mean that you have signal, or you have I do believe it means that the network's active, is what I'm trying to say. So anyways, you want to click deauth when you're done selecting your targets, and just kick them off for as long as you want. Now just to let you guys know, you cannot, well, you can on there, you can do it on there, but I'm just trying to show you how to do it from your computer, or from something. But anyways, it's pretty cool. So I will teach you guys. If you want me to teach you how to do it on there, I'll teach you. But I don't know. I'll do it if you guys want me to. But I won't, actually press the button. But I'll do it. I'll show you guys how to do it. But it's pretty cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm out. So peace.